Sharing sensitive documents with clients or other external collaborators via email presents both security vulnerabilities and challenges in maintaining document version control. M-Files Hubshare offers a secure and tailored platform for external content collaboration. Hubshare is a web-based platform that is completely configurable to your organisation's branding, corporate colour schemes, and collaboration requirements. In this short demonstration, we're going to have a look at Hubshare's key benefits and use cases. Some common cases for M-Files Hubshare include the sharing of construction transmittals, sharing plans or drawings to subcontractors, sharing client documents for review and approval, gaining client acceptance and acknowledgement of project scope of works documents, general collaboration on project documents where one party may need to edit the document after another, and storing general account contact information and enabling external collaborators to update those details if required. Here we are in the M-Files desktop application. We're currently collaborating with one of our clients on this Excel spreadsheet to plan a project. This document has been shared to Hubshare through an M-Files workflow. The document is made visible in the client's Hubshare portal when it reaches the workflow state implementation document, Share via Hubshare. Let's log into Hubshare and see what the document looks like from the client's perspective. In Hubshare, the client is able to access the document for reviewing and editing if need be. By clicking on the document title here, the preview pane opens up, and the client is able to take a look at how the document looks at a glance. They can also print or download a copy of the document to their local computer. If the client wishes to edit the document, they simply click on the three dots next to the document title, click on Open in Browser, and they're able to open the document and edit it using Microsoft 365 for the web tools. If the client chooses to make edits to the document, once the document is checked back in, those changes are synced up to the content living inside the M-Files vault. Let's make a quick edit and then we'll go back into M-Files and see how it looks from an internal perspective. Here we are back in the M-Files desktop application, and if we were to open up the same document that was just edited by the client in Hubshare, we can see their edits visible at our end, and there we go. Another benefit of Hubshare is the ability to obtain document approvals and acknowledgements by sending the document to them as part of an M-Files workflow. In this case, we're asking a client to review and approve an end-user license agreement form before their project progresses. This document has been shared to them via Hubshare, and you'll notice that the workflow state down here at the moment is that it's an onboarding document sent to client via Hubshare. Let's go and have a look at how the document looks in the Hubshare portal. Here we are back in Hubshare, and here is the document that has been shared with the client. To access a preview of the document, they simply click on the document title, and the document preview pane appears. They're able to zoom in and out of the document, and again, they're able to print or download a copy of the document to their local computer for more detailed viewing. Once the client has finished previewing the document and they're happy with the terms, if they wish to acknowledge and accept the terms and progress with the project, they can edit the document metadata including its workflow state through this properties box. Here they can change the workflow state to acknowledged. They can select the person who is approving the document, and we can put a date there where the document is being accepted on. Once those changes are saved in Hubshare, they sync up with M-Files and the document workflow will be updated and the relevant personnel internally will be notified of those changes. Once more, back in M-Files, if we refresh our desktop application, we can now see that that workflow state has been updated to client acknowledged, and there is a record on the metadata of who acknowledged the document and on what date. M-Files Hubshare truly is a game-changing collaboration platform. It promises to streamline your collaboration processes, drive efficiencies by reducing reliance on email, and improve the client experience. To see Hubshare in action for yourself and explore its possibilities, contact the team at Innovative Content Management today and we'd be happy to schedule a consultation. Thanks for listening.